Here we are at the RTS stand here at BVE 2014. I've got John Riddle with me. Now John, we're going to have a look at a few areas of your stand today. First of all, we'll concentrate on this area and we're going to talk about RTS Omneo for a start. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, for sure. RTS Omneo, we quietly previewed at BVE 2013. Spent the past year in development. So what is Omneo? Omneo is our IP networking based solution. It's an open control architecture and part of the OCA license, so it's a non-proprietary layer 3 compatible system which uses Dante's digital audio transport, and there's open control layers above this where we can for example put key panel data and any other control elements that we wish to include. There's a number of companies also involved in OCA, so it is not a, if you like, a Bosch only situation. And we're AVB compatible and compliant on all the current standards that are being put forward. So yeah, that is our long-term system. And we have an Omneo matrix card, which is configurable from 16 to 64 IP ports. Yep. Any of the ports will deliver 48 kilohertz, 24-bit uncompressed digital audio. So we're ensuring full audio bandwidth, full broadcast quality between the matrix to a key panel. Now, each of the key panels we have on display have analog I/O and also Omneo I/O, and very much the way of the future for us, in that we're going to offer both standards as available for all key panels throughout the whole range.
So an advantage of using Omneo, of course, is you can use a IP infrastructure that's currently in place?
Yes, you can use, in fact, any broadcaster, any OB company, the networking equipment they have, the switches they have, will actually be compatible. To be honest, we use an off-the-shelf standard switcher. There is nothing exotic about this. It is plug and play. For an installation, it obviously will cut down on installation time and cost. For the outside broadcast companies, where we're getting a lot of interest, it's speed and freedom of deployment. Because, of course, you can set up a switcher, put a key panel, and actually because all key panels as standard have 2 RJ45s and 2 fiber links with a switcher, you can daisy chain up to 20 key panels off the primary. So very, very fast and quick to do. We have a number of large sporting events where Omneo's been used, and lots more planned for this summer. So it's going to be a busy year ahead.
It sounds good. It's the first time I've seen it here since it was sort of previewed. Is it available now to order?
It is. In fact, we have systems out there. It's a card for Adam. So any of the RTS users can buy this as an update. And yep, we're gradually increasing the amount of Omneo installations and applications as we speak. So yeah.
That's great, John. Now we're going to pop around and have a look at another area stand. So we're going to do that and we'll be with you shortly. Well, we've just moved round to another area of the RTS stand. And John, we're going to look at this, which is the new TM10K. Tell us a bit about that.
We're really proud of this. The TM10K is what we believe to be the most advanced trunking management system currently available on the market. For all previous trunking we've offered would have a limited number of RTS matrices that we could deal with, so typically up to 31. TM10K was our designers' attempt to absolutely go back to the drawing board and go for as what we believe to be the absolute outer limits of what anyone's going to require, and just build it into the one unit. So instead of offering a range, we just do the single item. And we come up with TM10K. In terms of an RTS comm system talking to another RTS comm system, 31 is quite a big number. Well, this can deal with 255.
Right. Okay.
Yeah? So that's quite a massive capability. Why is it called TM10K? Basically, the capacity of the system will allow the management of up to 9,999 tie lanes.
Right. Okay.
I can't believe that anyone's going to ever fill that up, but you never know.
You could do it if asked.
Yeah. I mean, the rest of the system, dual power supplies, dual NICs, solid state drives, so it's really been designed for long-term reliability. The new design also allows a little more freedom of deployment, so this can be based at either in one of the satellite studios or at HQ, so it's completely flexible. But yeah, this is about as advanced a trunking system as we believe it's possible to do.
Brilliant. And again, first time we've seen this. Is this unit available?
It is available, shown for the first time in this country. We showed the prototype at IBC, and we're very pleased that we are shipping. In fact, we have orders for a number of UK companies, and we're very pleased to have it available.
John, that's great. Now, if people want to find out some more information about the systems we spoke about, and of course all the other systems, is there a website they can go to?
Yes, www.rtsintercoms.com.
John, thank you very much. There it is on screen now, the website details. Go and have a look if you want to find out more information about RTS and all their systems. We've been using their RTS talkback systems on the show, and it works brilliantly, I have to say. Everything we've been doing here at BVE is, of course, on our website, broadcastshow.com.